Hey, Phil here. So Google dropped a surprise on us this past year. There is a new Google Analytics platform. I'm going to show you how to, first off, create your new Google Analytics GA4 property from your existing, because it's best to create it now. And then I will show you how to implement that with Google Tag Manager. I love using Google Tag Manager. We're going to talk about Google Tag Manager a lot on this channel. So again, I'm just trying to get ahead of any potential questions that may arise as more and more people start looking at this migration, because unfortunately your data from your old property doesn't carry over. So this week and last week I was creating these properties. Now before I create my final property and move that over to Google Tag Manager, I wanted to show you how I do it. So I've got a guinea pig website. It's my own personal website, and I'm going to show you how I created a new GA property on this. So you open up admin, there's this new tab that you're going to see here, GA4 Setup Assistant. Go ahead and grab that. So you're going to need to create a new one because you can't migrate, right? Because simply we don't have an existing one. So we're starting from scratch here. Yes, I want to collect it. Okay, great. So we're going to go to our GA4 property, and that's basically it. Now, you want to install the tag. My preferred way is Google Tag Manager. I strongly recommend everybody use Google Tag Manager. So I'm going to show you how to do Google Tag Manager on a separate account, right? So this one I'm not too worried about. I just wanted to show you the creation. So bear with me one moment. We're going to go into topsaledigital.com. I have my new GA4 property, and I have it right here in data streams. I'm going to click on it, and we have this measurement ID. We're going to copy that because that's the data we need for the new Google Tag Manager tag. So we're going to go to topsaledigital.com, which reminds me I should organize my Google Tag Manager account, but that's a different story. Okay, we're here in tags. If you recall, this is where you set up your Google Analytics tag originally if you were using Google Tag Manager. If not, go ahead and do these things. Create a new GA4 tag. That's what I'm calling it. I highly recommend you call it something similar, right? And this is just the tracking. We're going to go over events in a later video, but I just want to show you we're not really changing too much here. It looks very similar to our existing, so this should be all page views. Aha. So yeah, this is not unlike your Google Analytics tag, right? There's just one field. Well, in this one, I showed you where you can get the new field. It's in measurements ID when you click on this data stream, right? So there's a lot of cool things that are going on with GA4, but one of the things is you can connect different data streams to go in the same boat, so to speak, right? So this, oh wow, Top Sale Digital boat metaphor. Anyways, I grabbed the measurement ID from this website data stream in GA, and I'm dropping it into my Google Tag Manager. I'm going to save and publish and write myself a short note. Added GA4 tag. That was before I nixed it earlier when you weren't on video. So, all right, we've published the tag. Now, in a perfect world, we would have the time to go to the website we just pushed the data to, and I want to make sure that this new site tag ID is being pushed. I'm almost certain that's it right there, but let's confirm because I'm opening up Google Tag Assistant's extension on Chrome. Amazing extension for this type of work. Highly recommend it. I can see inside a few different tags contained herein. I believe I see that G225 blah 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 blah, and that's okay. That's my measurement ID, right? Very cool. And then let's go ahead for grins. Let's go ahead and open up. Aha! It sees me. Oh wow, so funny. Well pinpointed, but that's totally my traffic right there, right? So awesome. That shows you in a nutshell. We're under 5 minutes. That's great. I wanted to show you how to set up the new Google GA4 in Tag Manager. Stay tuned to this channel because I'm going to show you how to port your events and a bunch of cool stuff in relation to Data Studio and Google Analytics. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more of this stuff, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.